Welcome to the Ultimate Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best blood glucose monitor 2023 available on the market. We will consider their product features and values with possible. If you want more information and an update on the products, check these links in the description. Number 5. For a blood glucose monitor. Easy operation with fast and accurate results. No coding is required. Set up your meter with a few simple steps and you're ready to perform a test. Test strips with our patented layer design enhance accuracy and provide your blood glucose levels within 7 seconds. Audible instructions and results to aid persons who are visually impaired. The meter will audibly guide you through the testing process and speak the final results to make testing clearer and easier. Less pain by alternative site testing. AST. Perform the test on the palm, forearm, or upper arm for less pain when you test. Results are equivalent in accuracy to fingertip testing. Meter memory. The meter saves the latest 450 test results with date and time for you to easily keep track of your trends. Number 4. Medline Blood Glucose Monitor. Minimize pain. Small blood sample needed to test. 1 microliter, a millionth of a liter required. Ideal for diabetics and others who need to monitor their blood glucose levels regularly. Less patient discomfort because only a small sample is needed to get fast results in about 6 seconds. Option to test on the forearm, palm, or fingertips. Simple operation. Easily track and save up to 300 readings with 7, 14, and 30-day averaging. Easy to use voice assistance guides you through the testing process and provides results in either English or Spanish. Number 3. Meeting Blood Glucose Monitor. Advanced Glucometer Kit. Meeting TD 4116 Diabetes Testing Kit is equipped with advanced technologies, brings more accurate and reliable results and better experience for your blood sugar control. A control solution is included for checking the glucometer and strips. Easy to use. Close the vial immediately after taking out a test strips. The blood glucose monitor is with code-free design, ready for testing once insert the strip correctly. 7 seconds and 0.70 blood. This blood glucose meter kit just needs 0.7 microliter blood sample and 7 seconds to get you blood glucose value. Fast minimizes wound and less painful. More clearly glucose trend. 4 modes to record your glucose value according to different time. Shows your glucose trend more clearly. Number 2. Ketosen's Blood Glucose Monitor. Keep calm and keto on. The Ketosen's Blood Ketone Monitor is excellent and optimal for people on ketogenic diet. Ketosen's lets you accurately manage your blood ketone level quickly and easily. Results in seconds. Only a 0.5 microliter blood droplet is needed and provides reading in only 8 seconds. The leading competitor requires almost twice the droplet size and takes 20% longer to provide a test result. Complete package. This starter kit provides everything you need to begin your keto monitoring. The starter kit includes 1 Ketosen's ketone blood testing meter, 10 test strips, 10 lancets, lancing device, 2 batteries, and a carrying case. Leading technology. The ketone meter features a large 2.5-inch negative LCD display. Easy to read under any circumstance. Also features a strip ejector, allowing users to discard used strips without touching it. Number 1. Ketosen's Blood Glucose Monitor. Complete Starter Kit. Ketosen's N Plus Bluetooth Diabetes Testing Kit includes 1 blood glucose meter, 100 blood sugar test strips, 1 lancing device, 100 lancets, and a traveling case to provide you with the most affordable and convenient way for blood sugar testing. Small sample size. Ketosen's N Plus Bluetooth Blood Sugar Monitor requires only a small blood sample size of 0.5 ml, making finger pricking easy and painless. Ketosen's N Plus Bluetooth Diabetes Test Strip is auto-coded and automatically recognizes the batch code encrypted on Ketosen's N Plus Bluetooth Blood Glucose Test Strip. Fast results. Ketosen's N Plus Bluetooth Blood Glucose Meter provides fast results in just 5 seconds, making blood sugar testing fast and convenient. Our glucometer kit comes with a handy traveling case that can hold all your diabetes testing kits so that you can measure your blood sugar at the comfort of your home or anywhere else. Easy to use. Ketosen's N Plus Bluetooth Blood Glucose Monitor kit is very simple and easy to use, making blood sugar testing easy for all. Our lightweight blood sugar monitor has a simple design to make diabetes testing easy to understand and hassle-free. If you want to buy this product, please check the comment or description link.